Hello everyone, this is Laur here, and today we are going to unbox Make It Mini Animals. Where's the start? Okay, I found it. Dang it, I was looking for a perfect cut. I have never ever had a perfect cut, so I want it so bad. Okay, hang on. I'm getting somewhere. Okay. I don't know why they put 2 layers. I complain about this in like every video. Not a perfect cut again. That one was sort of satisfying. Maybe. Okay. A lot of stuff in here. Read me first. Boring. Okay.
We're recording, Bill.
Oh, sorry.
Excuse Lauren's dad, sorry. He's just being silly.
Ooh, okay, so there's actually... Oh, there's a bunny, a dwarf bunny, a hamster, a guinea pig number 2, guinea pig number 1, what the heck? Hamster number 2, and a hedgehog family. I want the hedgehog family. Let's see what we got. Oh wait, this is just more. Lovebirds, macaw, leopard, gecko. Oh, I want that one. Chameleon, axolotl. Okay, axolotl and chameleon. Okay, so I already know what we got. We got the hamster. I just don't know which one, so let's look back. Wait, no, this is a hamster. This is a hamster number 1. So, which is good, because I don't want hamster number 2, and I don't even have hamster number 1. What is this? What is this? Okay, I'm not using that. Where is that actual hamster? I want to know. Oh, yes, I know what these are. Yeah, I totally don't know what these are. Okay. And then this. Wait, no, we got hamster number 2. No, wait, we got hamster number 1. I'm sorry. Okay. Pet Essentials. Guess that's like a food brand. And this is absolutely so cute. And I think I know what it is. It's like a real box. This is so cute. You can actually read everything. And then just like open it. Oh, wait, it can't breathe in this. What are they thinking? Okay. Oh, that's so cute. I think I'm actually going to keep this in here, though.
You just threw him.
Whoopsie.
Is he okay?
He's okay, yeah. He's thriving with life. He's okay. So I'm actually going to keep that in there. And this could be like his little bed. This is I love this box. This is like amazing. Because you can actually work with it. And like you can actually put it back in the little hoop. Okay, but enough about this box because we're going to see lots of cute things. So, okay. So we got this. And we take this. And we take this. And we put this on this. Wait, no. First, why do they do this? Why did they do this to me? Okay, he's in there. He's okay. He's still alive. Okay, he's in the ball. Hamster's there. This, the Pet Essentials goes in. This is like his little food container. Hang on. after several so hard attempts. No, really, my dad just cut it, but okay. What the heck? Get out. Okay. I'm using these little tweezers to try and make it get out faster. Come on, I have things to do today. Oh no. Okay. A little bit more. Okay, that's enough. And then we have so much extra. Like, it's gonna go on a shelf. And then just put it here. No. Okay, I'm scared of that again. If that happens again. Okay, he's totally thriving with life. He's okay. Oh, okay. So then... Oh, so this, actually this stuff, we take these things and we put it in. Wait, that's way too much. Oh, that's still way too much. This is not gonna work. 20 days later. Okay, I think it actually got it to finally work. Oh, no. Okay. Well, it's not cooperating. It's not showing it cares. So, who cares? Oh, no. My cap keeps falling off. There we go. He has a nice soft bed. And this was a short set. That's it. That's the end. My hamster's still alive. He's okay. Yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And bye.